In previous video, we have already discussed on different memory units. Now in this video, we will discuss on primary memory. But before that, let's recall the term memory. So what is computer memory? Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently. Or we can say that it is the storage area where data is stored in the computer. Computer memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. So before to discuss on primary memory, let's understand the term volatile memory and non-volatile memory. Volatile memory. Volatile memory are those memory which retains the data as long as power supply is on. But when power supply is off, the stored memory is lost. Which means volatile memory वो मेमोरी होती है जो डेटा को तभी तक स्टोर करती है जब तक उसको पावर सप्लाई मिलेगी. As power supply is off, it loses all its data. That's why it is called volatile memory or temporary memory. Now next one is non-volatile memory. It is just opposite of volatile memory, which means it retains data always. There is no need of continuous power supply. For example, ROM. That's why it is called permanent memory. Primary memory. It is the main memory of the computer system, which is directly accessed by the CPU. As primary memory is located within the CPU, so it is first accessed by CPU for storing data and instructions. Which means वो मेमोरी जो सबसे पहले यूज होती है या जो प्रोसेसर से डायरेक्टली कम्युनिकेट करती है उसे प्राइमरी मेमोरी कहते हैं. नाउ as I have told you that it directly communicate with processor, so it has to be very fast also. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. Now RAM, random access memory. So first one is it is primary memory, so it is first accessed by CPU for storing data and instructions. And second thing, it is a volatile in nature, which means data stored on RAM gets erased when power of the computer is switched off. Okay, which means it loses its data when power is switched off. So it is temporary memory. Now RAM is further categorized into two types. First one is SRAM, or we can say that static RAM. Second one is DRAM or dynamic RAM. Now second one is ROM, read-only memory. ROM is non-volatile or permanent memory, which means we can say that the data that is stored on ROM is retained, which means it permanently store data even when the computer is switched off. That's why it is used to store information that does not change. Like booting sequence. What is booting sequence? It is a sequence of instructions that is to be followed when system is switched on till the time you see your desktop is called booting sequence. Different types of ROM are, first one is PROM, second one is EPROM, and third one is EEPROM.